pane nhenda yakabatira panapa iri kunzi aiwa weekend mass protest to go ahead. Vakomana tukunoti mapepa nhau aramba achiburitsa nhau yekupushwa kuri kuitwa nevakomana opposition panodzi maprotest. Ndisandapinda muversion yenyaya naye muzara nhasi ndobva usubscribe like kuti on the bell kuti tipinda panapa muzimu aimbonikwa muchinzi despite the government's recent deployment of military tankers onto the streets in a clear attempt to intimidate the populace, the activists remain undeterred. Operating under the banner Zimbabwe Let's Unite and Fix Our Country, they have notified the police of their intention to hold peaceful demonstrations. Because of the nature of the regime we are dealing with, and we take every step that the law requires. We have noticed the police, there is no section that says we must seek permission. We have just notified them. The police are away and they now know that the protesters are secure. So we expect coordination from the police in terms of the constitution. We are targeting to stage protests in all provinces across the country, but in most incidents, police have recorded or acknowledged that they have received our notifications. Do mashikondera kubatira na umzara nasiona aiwa mana promise bananzi vari kuyacho zoti aiwa takakunotify kudaita ma protest atibodi kana kusika any letter kana kuti any confirmation mva kwamuri kuti grand authority kuti ti protest but utongokudza kuti ndo zvatakutoita in all provinces. Tudze mafundo enyu munoti kudi pana pari kuti despite kuti deploy kwaita ma soldiers pando zvataronga ndo zvatafunga. Bada comment section medu mutudze mafundo enyu musangano subscribe or like wanjeni on the